My name is Marilyn Shuler, and I will try and be very brief. I have thought this has been a wonderful 2 days listening, and I appreciate what you're doing very much. I was the director of the Idaho Human Rights Commission from 1978 to 1998, and so I go way back. And so I thought it would be instructive to you to know really how long the Human Rights Commission has had the issue of homosexuality or gay and lesbian before it. And the commission, as you know, is an Idaho, it's part of the Idaho government. And when I was there, we were an independent commission. Now it's tucked in, it's still independent, but tucked in the Department of Labor. It is run by 9 commissioners, and your own Senator or Representative Sims was one of the commissioners that who was my boss for many years when she served as a human rights commissioner. The commissioners were involved in giving advice and following some issues of racial tensions when we had the No on One campaign, which I don't know if you remember about it, that was spewing a lot of hatred towards certain religions and also against gay and lesbian people. And that initiative was defeated. It went down strongly in eastern Idaho and was defeated. But that is the first time that I was involved, and that was and we had the support of our governor for us to follow that issue, get to know the gay and lesbian community, be able to know what was happening. And that was unofficial. We were not doing any cases. It was not part of our statute. I think it would be instructive, though, and it's been alluded to know that if you were to pass this bill, and I am speaking here as an individual, I very much support this House bill, that it would be administered by the Human Rights Commission. The commission operates, it's done it since 1969, created by Governor Batt, as you know, when he was the senator. He's the grandfather, or the father of the commission. The commission serves a great function in the state of Idaho. You rarely hear criticism. There are all kinds of extraordinarily sensitive cases that come to the commission daily. They handle all kinds of things. They do it confidentially, privately. It's done without trying to try and resolve disputes before they ever become lawsuits. People can go to court, but very few do. The surveys are run after the commission closes a case, and the people who have been accused of having discriminated, they feel that our processes are fair. You don't need an attorney. It's not a scary process. And the commission tries to weed out frivolous complaints at the beginning. It's just a system that's been in place for so long. And it's not like you would be sending something off to be created, from whole cloth. So I thought that perspective, it all would be instructive to you. It is also, we do civil work. Ours is not in the criminal area. So there's nobody would ever go to jail for anything that came under the Human Rights Act. I'm happy to, I know that you're very tired, so that's all I had to say. I support the bill.
Are there questions? Representative Wintrow.
Mr. Chair, Ms. Shuler, thank you so much. Could you then clarify that by statute, if somebody were to file a complaint of discrimination by statute, must it come before the commission first?
if you file it with the commission, a complaint with the commission, yes, it goes to the commission would administer it. And it has to be in our system for so long before it can go to court. If somebody wanted to take it to court privately. I have not worked there for a long time, and I'm in a very dangerous situation. I'm not a lawyer, first of all, and I've been retired forever. And so I'm in dangerous place right here. You need to talk to the attorney for the Human Rights Commission, who can give you all kinds of information.
Follow up.
Representative
Mr. Chair.
Wintrow.
Ms. Shuler, I do not want to get you in trouble, nor myself. You are just a gem in our state, and thank you for your service. I think, if I may, Mr. Chair, I very much respect Representative Crane's question about the dilemma that we're facing. People are scared about lawsuits, and will my religious freedom be infringed upon? But I keep hearing over and over through the commission that there is a very extensive, thorough process by which one would go through, and that those things are dealt with confidentially and professionally, and that it sounds like I went to the website and read the commission's report, as you indicated, that everybody you've worked with has high evaluations of the service in which they have received. So that was really my question, was to try to really get at some of those fears and to hear that people would be listened to, if that's fair.
Thank you. Yes, and you do not need to have an attorney. Many people are just represent themselves.
Further questions? Thank you. Marilyn, it's good to see you again.
Thank you.
It's been a
You
while.
and I both go way back.
Well, yeah, but please don't mention how long.